Because of the energies that we are experiencing right now on the planet, and especially twin flames, there is a lot of focus on coming out of old patterns right now. So, in our reality, we can be tested. How the test will be is that a series of events can happen in your reality, let's say just in a matter of a few days, where repeatedly a certain pattern within you is highlighted. Say a situation comes where you feel that my boundary was transgressed. I meant to say no here, but somebody disrespected my no. Or I wasn't fully comfortably able to say no here, although I knew in my heart that I needed to say no to this, but then my mind overrode that instinct and I went on with it anyway, and then I had a very difficult time there. Or let us say it can be some other energy where you felt that it was disrespectful or not very loving towards you, or you felt something else came in that reinforced maybe an old wound from your system. It can be a wound of betrayal, it can be a wound of low self-worth, it can be a wound of which triggers your people pleasing response. So it's very likely that you may face such situations, any situation, depending on what wound in your specific system is ready to completely leave you. And this is happening because twin flames have received such a wonderful energetic upgrade, especially through the 8-8 portal, the full moon, and the solar flares that keep happening from time to time. So such an upgrade, when it happens, it is bound to release the lower patterns, the lower energies that are still in our system, that still interfere with our day to day life. So if you feel like you're being tested and you feel like repeatedly in your situations, similar types of responses are coming from your end, similar situations are coming in different forms, through different people, it's time to just take a step back, consciously observe the pattern within you that gets triggered. It can be the pattern of a people pleaser. It can be some other pattern that is very afraid of saying no. It can be, a pattern where you apologize for just being yourself, or you believe that, you're not worthy, or something else. And you notice this pattern and just see where was it for the first time that it has emerged from. Do some shadow work if you feel called to do it, if you feel comfortable, if it happens without any effort, then definitely it is worth it for you. And this will allow you to safely move into a higher timeline, to safely move along with the higher energies that you are receiving right now.